friends, have a nice day. Welcome to Tech Storm channel. Why can't I delete or remove apps from the home screen? I'm going to tell you how to remove or delete app from home screen. Okay, we will see the procedure. Now you can't do that. Please follow my step. Please see my example, but you can't do the procedure at the moment. We will see once again with another apps, but you can't do the procedure. Please follow me how I do the procedure. Go to setting, then go to display, then click the home screen. Now you can see your home screen at the moment lock situation. You have to do unlock it. After that, go to your home screen. Try it, do the procedure now. Now you can see the function is enabled. At the moment, you can remove or delete unwanted apps from your home screen.